first graders. Welcome to StartSmart Week 2, Day 1. So today we're looking at a few sentences first to let you understand that when we read, we start on this side, left, and then we go all the way across to the right. And then we go over here to the next line, go all the way across. This is how we write and how we read. So first of all, I'd like to point out this letter. Which capital letter is that? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. L. L is that letter. What capital letter is this for the sentence? 3, 2, 1. W. And then once again, 3, 2, 1. W. Nice job. Okay, today you're going to be listening to sounds and putting them together. So I will go first and I'll show you how I do this with my kids in the classroom. So I go like this. This means it's my turn. This means it's your turn. And then we put it together. So it. Then you'd go it. Fit. Okay. Here we go. An. Fan. At. Now your turn. Put it together. Fat. Ix. Oh. Ix. Fix. Ill. Fill. App. Map. At. Mat. Is. Miss. Ix. Mix. At. Sat. Add. Sad. Ick. Sick. Ip. Sip. At. Cat. An. Can. Ish. Dish. Ig. Dig. It. Hit. At. Hat. Ip. Tip. Last one. In. Pin. Okay, thanks so much. I hope that made sense for you. Okay, we are working on the camel card, and this, the camel, says camel. This is the letter C, uppercase and lowercase c. The name is C. The sound is k. And maybe in kindergarten you remember the camel is so cute we want to take a picture, and a picture makes a sound. A camera makes the sound of k, k, k. Okay, so Miss Turner will be going over how to write uppercase and lowercase c. So we'll move on to the fire card. So this is the fire card. And the sound for this is f, f, fire. In kindergarten, they would teach you f, f. So this is uppercase and lowercase f. The name is F. The sound is f. Okay, and once again, Miss Turner will be going over the the way to write capital F and lowercase f. Uppercase F and lowercase f. Okay, once again, as I go across, you're going to say the sound. Okay, this is review, so we're going to go go a bit faster. 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, oh, here's a new one. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, friends, now we're going to start blending. That's where we keep our voice on if we can. So here we go. Keep your voice on. Blend it. Fan. Put it together. Fan. Okay, here's another one. Now I can't blend. So I'll wait till I get to the next letter. Now blend it. Can. The word is can. And fat. The word is fat. Now blend. Cat. The word is cat. Okay, here we go. Blend. Put it together. And. Okay. Blend. Oh, you can't blend yet. So this is k. And then put it together. Can. The word is can. Next. Blend. Fan. Put it together. Fan. You can't really blend p, so just wait for the next letter. Pan. The word is pan. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple seconds and I'll let you do some and I'll do some. Okay, blend. Put it together. Word is at. You can't really blend yet. Now blend. Put it together. Blend. What's the word? Cat. You can blend. Blend. Put it together. Blend. What's the word? Fat. Blend. 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 Put it together. Word is mat. Okay, friends, I hope that made sense. We'll keep doing that so you'll get used to that routine. Okay, we are starting with a sentence. So as we are writing a sentence, remember we're always going to start with our capital letter. So this is a sight word. You can't make the sounds, because if I made the sounds, it'd be h, e, he. And this word is he. Okay? He has a fan. Okay, together. He has a fan. Do we have our capital? Yes. Do we have finger space in between the words? Yes. Can we read it? Yes. Do we have an end mark? Yes. What is our end mark? A period, right? Because we can have a question or an exclamation mark. Okay, here's our next sentence. A cat, oh, sorry guys. A cat can nap. Let's read it together. A cat can nap. Do we have our capital letter? Yes. Do we have finger space in between the words? Yes. Can we read it? Yes. Does it have good spelling? Yes. Do we have an end mark? Yes. And what is our end mark today? It is a period. Okay, friends, I'm going to say a word, and you're going to write a C under it if it starts with a K, and then an F, a C for K, and an F for F. Okay, so this is face. 3, 2, 1. It'd be an F. This is coat. 3, 2, 1. K. This is a car. 3, 2, 1. K. Car. See? This is a foot. 3, 2, 1. This is a fish. 3, 2, 1. Fish. It starts with an F sound. And this is cup. 3, 2, 1. Cup. Okay, so this, we're going to say the word and put the first sound we hear. Cat. Let's say it slowly. K. At. Oh, that's a K sound. Okay, this is a fan. Let's say it slowly. Fan. Oh, that's a F sound. Okay, friends. These are our new sight words for today. This word is. What's the word? Is. Let's spell it. I-S. Your turn. I-S. Now let's write it in the air. I-S. Okay, so this is. This is the word this. Say it with me. This. The word is spelled T-H-I-S. Spell it with me. T-H-I-S. Let's write the word in the air. T-H-I-S. Okay, these are review words. So I'll go down here And I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, you. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, like. 3, 2, 1, he. 3, 2, 1, has. 3, 2, 1, do. 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. 3, 2, 1, go. And this one's kind of tricky because if I sound it out, it would say has. But we don't say has in English. We say has, so the sound is z. Okay, this says, where are we? The grass is red, the leaves are blue, the sun is green, the clouds are too. So we know, let me read it one more time and then we'll talk about the poem. Where are we? The grass is red, the leaves are blue, the sun is green, the clouds are too. So friends, we know that this poem is fiction, and fiction means that it's make-believe. It's not real. The sun isn't green and the grass isn't red. So that tells us it's pretend. It's fiction. Okay. So this is called a rhyme because it sounds the same in part of the words sound the same. So the grass is red, the leaves are blue. So red and blue don't rhyme. So let's keep going. Let's do it again. The grass is red, the leaves are blue, the sun is green. That doesn't rhyme. Let's do it again. The grass is red, the leaves are blue, the sun is green, the clouds are too. So blue and too rhyme. That's what makes a rhyme different than a story. They have the same sound at the end. A story doesn't have rhymes all the time. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.